I want to encourage you that if you're working on your weaknesses, you're doing good. Work hard, don't give up. Don't let anyone's comments make you give up, never. In fact, they should make you go further. Similarly, if you see someone else's weakness, you have no clue what their strengths are. You have no clue how far they've come. I'm not trying to justify wrongdoing, but I am saying go easy on people, because your word of discouragement could actually cause more damage than a quick word of acknowledgement. Didn't I tell you moments ago, when you see someone come forth and struggle with something, you have to acknowledge the struggle and you have to pat them on the back in order to let them feel that they're doing the right thing, and they are. But because they still have a bit of that which they need to improve, you can throw in a word to say, inshallah, a little more and we're going to get there.